Hey, lovelies, join us as you're eating with the Suplanins. So we finally came out the car. We finally decided where we're gonna go to get something to munch. All right. First of all, it was Elijah's birthday, and it was also Father's Day. So it was like a 2-in-1. So here we go, coming out the car. The kids are like very kind of like enthusiastic. I don't know why she's going in the bag, guys. You'll see what's in that bag later. And my daughter's looking so fresh. And we're like walking. We don't even know where the heck we're going, guys, but because this is the first time we're in this area for at this restaurant. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at the menu. The line wasn't that long, and talked to someone, and they said the wait was about 5 to 15 minutes. So that wasn't bad, and definitely it went really fast because within 5 minutes before we sat down, they were like, "We have a table for you guys, a table for 6."